Oops, I'm recording this.
Oh, what?
Hello.
Hi.
Look at our lovely fashion statement. Take a look at my.
She's gorgeous today.
She's fucking fabulous.
I know. She's so.
Totally should wear
She's
that.
like Tyra Banks right now, except hotter. Yeah, that.
And white.
Work
Fierce.
it, girl. Work it, girl.
Giraffe.
You know, I know you want them.
That's really sexy.
And you know, the new fashion is just break your class. Break your umbrella class.
It's true, guys. It's true.
Because no one can even say
We're
class.
getting wet.
It's a stupid word, so they all need a break.
Okay, this
This needs to be over.
Class.
Class B. Class B.
Okay.
You know what? I need to wear my sweater. You know what?
Okay, we need to stop this video before it.
Me in the butt.
Lovely outfit here with this. Hello. Yeah.